Did you know opossums have one of the most surprising defense mechanisms in the animal kingdom? These little creatures have a special trick that makes them unique. They play dead. This behavior is more than just pretending. It's a life-saving strategy that keeps predators away. When an opossum feels threatened, its body can automatically go into a state that looks just like death. Its eyes close or stay half open. Its mouth hangs open and it becomes completely still. Sometimes it even sticks out its tongue and releases a foul-smelling fluid that mimics the scent of a rotting animal. This act is so convincing that predators often lose interest, thinking the opossum is already dead and not worth eating. This behavior is called playing possum, but scientists have a fancy name for it: thanatosis. Unlike what you might think, the opossum is not consciously faking death. It's an automatic response triggered by extreme stress. Imagine it as the animal's ultimate survival instinct, kicking in when there's no other way out. The opossum's playing dead strategy works because many predators prefer fresh prey. They rely on their instincts to hunt, and when something seems off, like a seemingly dead animal, they hesitate. This gives the opossum a chance to escape. Once the predator moves on, opossums are fascinating for many reasons. Beyond this trick, they're North America's only marsupial, meaning they carry their young in a pouch, just like kangaroos. You might not expect to see marsupials in the United States, but opossums have adapted well to urban and suburban environments. They're often found scavenging for food in backyards, trash cans, and even under houses. Their adaptability plays a big role in their survival. Opossums aren't picky eaters. They'll munch on insects, fruits, small animals, and even leftover human food. This varied diet makes them incredibly resilient, thriving in different habitats and climates. Another remarkable thing about opossums is their resistance to snake venom. These animals can survive bites from some of the most venomous snakes in North America, like rattlesnakes and copperheads. This unique trait helps them stay safe and even hunt snakes for food. But let's get back to their famous playing dead act. It's important to note that this isn't their first line of defense. When faced with a threat, an opossum will first try to escape by running away or climbing a tree. If that doesn't work, it may growl or show its sharp teeth to scare off the predator. Only when these tactics fail does the opossum resort to playing dead. What's truly amazing is how convincing the act is. The opossum's body can become so limp and lifeless that even humans can mistake it for dead. This state can last anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on how long it takes for the threat to pass. Once the coast is clear, the opossum slowly wakes up and scurries away, as if nothing happened. This ability has made opossums a symbol of survival and resourcefulness. They might not look fierce or strong, but their clever tactics have helped them thrive. For millions of years, fossil evidence shows that opossums have been around for at least 70 million years, surviving alongside dinosaurs and adapting to countless changes in their environment. Despite their survival skills, opossums often get a bad reputation. People sometimes see them as pests because they rummage through trash or wander into garages. But these animals play a vital role in the ecosystem. They eat pests like ticks, which helps reduce the spread of diseases like Lyme disease. A single opossum can eat thousands of ticks. In one season, opossums are also scavengers, meaning they clean up dead animals and leftover food that could otherwise attract more dangerous predators. They're nature's little cleanup crew, working behind the scenes to keep our environment balanced. Learning about opossums can help us appreciate these misunderstood creatures. Instead of fearing or dismissing them, we can admire their unique adaptations and the important role they play in nature. Playing dead is just one of their many incredible traits, and it's a perfect example of how evolution equips animals with the tools they need to survive.